Good evening. If you're using a program that uses a flash menu running in a browser, you'll find that global settings continue to get changed by Chrome and Explorer, by these browsers, and restricting flash from running. So if you have had that happen, you'll run into a problem when you're using one of these flash-based menu programs, and where the links stop working in some areas. Like in this situation, these ones would not work. In that situation, when you got to these links, if you're clicking on them and they're not working, you're going to need to right click on that, select global settings, then go into global securities panel. You might run into this right here, which means you need to enable flash. And if you click that, you might get a pop-up right here because it's blocking. So you're going to have to right-click that up there when that happens and allow the flash to run. In this case, I'm getting this pop-up instead, so I'll allow flash to run. And this is going to get me to this panel right here, which is where you'll click on the lock with the earth there, and that's where you set the drives that you want to allow flash. So if you have nothing in here, you're going to have to figure out the drive that you're putting the CD in and add that drive. Say it's F, drive F, you'll add that in there. If you have a downloaded program that's on the hard drive, it's running from C, and you have to have C in here. If it's D drive, the CD burner is D drive, you have to have D in there. This will save these settings for the browser that you're in and doing this with. Now, if you're doing it in Chrome and you set these settings, you can continue to run that program all the time with Chrome because it will save these settings. But if you go change to Explorer, you're going to have to go through this process in Explorer and put these in as trusted locations in Explorer too, because it will save those. Once you've done that, then your program will work. Then these links will begin to work and you'll be all set. Thank you.